Welcome back. We're here in North Glen, Colorado. We're placing a sidewalk, a little walkway up to the house. We're also replacing a driveway on the side of the home. We just finished tearing out all the concrete on the driveway in the front of the house. Now we're just tearing out the rest in the back. We have a little drainage issue. A lot of the water is building up in our back corner, in the far back corner, and creating a safety hazard with ice buildup in the wintertime. We also have a grading issue with the drain, the old concrete drain back towards the house. We were trying to create a drain flow away from the house for proper drainage. So we're just going to fill in all the low spots, take all this remaining concrete out of here and fill in some dirt so we can get proper drainage away from the home. So we just wanted to walk you through some of that. We're going to do a couple additional pads for a trailer pad and a compressor on the rear of the home. Pad right here that we're going to build. To hold the trailer up here, so that'll go on here. And then we've got a little pad going back here. We're going to add a compressor, a little addition to the garage to house the compressor back there. So that's about it. Thanks for joining in, and we'll hope to see you next time on another patio and home improvement.